Hey James. Good morning. How are you, man?
Okay, hi, I'm Lee, and I'm just going to show you how to make a latte behind the scenes. Okay, so
We usually start the day making a couple of lattes. So we try these coffees, and in this way we can identify if the coffee is sweet and balanced and if it is extracted between 25 to 30 seconds. However, if we feel that the coffee is bitter or with smoky flavors, then we will have to adjust either the grind or the equipment.
and just getting the milk ready now, about to stretch the milk for the latte. Tap the air bubbles out of the milk. This is cafe latte. The ingredients are espresso, water and full cream milk.
Oh, the latte is delicious. Thanks, Lee. Now, guys, we're gonna have a chat with some of the participants from the training. We're gonna ask them how has been the experience of learning about coffee and how to be a barista. Let's see that.
Hi out there. My name is Obina Opara. I am from Colombia. Oh, no, I'm joking. I am from Nigeria in West Africa.
What's a barista?
An expert coffee making man or woman.
For how long have you been learning about coffee? Learning about.
Oh, that's interesting. It's been long. Let me say more than 3 months now.
Yes.
And I'm enjoying it.
You.
Really enjoying it.
What's the most interesting thing that you learned so far?
Oh, I've learned different types of espresso making in coffee, but the most interesting thing I have done is using my coffee making as a kind of an art, designing different types of coffee for my customers.
Hey guys, so we're gonna have lunch now. It's around 1 p.m. and it's time to have sushi. Let's go. Hey guys, so we found this place in sushi. They just opened, it's called Hero Sushi. Let's see what they got.
Yeah, now I'm gonna start by trying to let you know how I make my favorite drink, and it's called chai leaf. The ingredients for this kind of drink, chai leaf packet, you can get it from any shop. A strainer, you can use any type of thing you like, either the skim or the almond or the full cream. Just take like 2 spoons of chai leaf into put a shot hot water, and I add my almond milk, and I got to heat it, and I get to train my chai. This is what I do every day. I come to train as a barista. Oh, delicious. Thank you. Bye.
So at the end of the day, what we're gonna do is just to clean the coffee shop. We have to mop, sweep, clean the machines, clean everything, as we are doing here. So pretty much make sure that the machines are clean, that there's no milk stains in the steam one, that there's no coffee inside the grinders or inside the blades, and we also make sure that all our supplies are ready to be used tomorrow morning. So in that way we can arrive and everything will be pretty much ready.
Now arriving at Southern Cross.
My station, boy. Southern Cross, gang.
I'm gonna
West side only.